Hey guys, anyways, Hope here. Welcome back to the channel. Now, iOS 15 has really matured over time. iOS 15.4 and now 15.5 has really brought additional new features and changes to the iPhone that you probably didn't know about. Little secrets and things on your iPhone that you probably didn't know. And in this video, I'm going to show you a few hidden secrets and tips and tricks on your iPhone. And let me know in those comments down below how many of these do you actually know. I'm going to share about 7 or 8 of these. But as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, the first thing I want to show you is how to put a call on hold. Now, if you make a phone call on your iPhone, you have this mute button right here, which obviously if you tap it, it goes into mute. But did you know if you actually hold it for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you actually put the call on hold, just like so. Again, all you have to do is re-tap it, and then if you tap it again, it goes on mute. Hold it for 5 seconds, and now we have the call on hold. Let me know if you knew this one in those comments down below. Now, did you know that if you're picking someone up from the airport, you can ask them to send you a text message of the flight number or a screenshot of the flight number, and you'll be able to track the flight to see if it's on time. Right here it is. I have a flight number. I can press and hold and get a preview of the flight, the track, and if I go into preview flight, I can actually see the information of the flight, departure, arrival, the times, if it's on time. Pretty cool feature built into the iPhone. And again, this works via message if anyone sends you the number of the flight or the actual screenshot of the flight. Pretty cool feature. Let me know if you knew this one. Now, jumping over to the camera of your iPhone, there's a few features that I want to talk about here. The first one is macro photography. Now, with iOS 15.3 and 15.4, if you get close to a subject, it'll automatically enable the macro photography. See the yellow flower right there? And you can actually enable or disable this feature directly from the screen here of your iPhone. So you can tap it to disabled, tap it to enable. Again, once you bring the subject close to the camera, it would actually pop up automatically. So here we go. Let's do that again. There it is. Macro is enabled and disabled just like so. Pretty cool feature. Now, another great feature about the iPhone within the actual camera application. Let's say you're in photo mode, right? And you want to quickly capture video. Did you know you can actually press and hold on the volume down key and it will instantly start recording video within the photos extension in your camera? So you don't have to swipe over to the recording, right, to the video option. All you have to do is press and hold right there while on photo. If you're taking a photo but you want to capture a video quickly, just press and hold on the volume down key and you can just capture video here quickly, just to capture a quick moment without having to mess around with the settings. Now, today's video is sponsored by Ugreen and the Ugreen Ace Cube 30-watt charger. This little charger can charge an iPhone 13 Pro Max from 0 to 60 in about 30 minutes, and it can even charge a MacBook Air as well. You can fully charge a MacBook Air with this charger in about 2 hours. It's portable, it is small, compact, powerful, and with the gain chip inside of the Ace Cube by Ugreen, this incredible charging performance and portability just isn't found anywhere else. Go ahead and check it out. There's a discount code in the description down below. You can grab it right now for an extra 30% off. Again, thank you to Ugreen and the Ace Cube 30-watt charger for sponsoring today's video. Now, did you know that in Spotlight you can actually type in the word code and you get this application built into your iPhone that allows you to scan QR codes just like so. You can place the QR code on the screen right there, and then if you need the flash, you can also enable the flash and it will read your QR code directly within the software of your iPhone. You don't need to download any additional applications. Again, all you have to do is swipe down on Spotlight and type in the word code, and this application will pop up on your iPhone. Pretty cool feature built into the software. Now, I want to jump into the Photos application because I'm going to show you how to quickly copy an image. Just simply pinch with 3 fingers, and this will copy the image to the clipboard. And let's say you want to share in messages or notes, you just tap in here and paste it, and it's a quick way to actually share an actual image in notes or messages or emails. Again, all you have to do is just go to the image, pinch with 3 fingers, and it'll copy it to the clipboard. Now, last but not least, I want to show you how to get custom text right here on the swipe up to unlock of your iPhone. Let me show you how simple it is. Here's the wallpaper that I'm going to customize here. I'm going to show you how to do this. All you have to do is click edit here and click on markup right here. Now, all I have to do is add some text. And once we add the text here, we want to change the color to white in this case because the wallpaper is black on the bottom. So we want to make it pop. We're going to change the color to white. Okay, we're going to do that. And then we're going to double tap it here just to click edit and then edit the name. So we're going to type in iDevice help Let's go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to also copy in some Apple logos here. So let's go ahead and click edit here. And let's just go ahead and add some Apple logos to this one right here. So I'm going to paste the Apple logo. Let's go into Safari. I'll link this one in the description, by the way. You can copy this one. It'll give you the Apple logo on your iPhone, just like so for the clipboard. Click paste here. And also let's go ahead and move it around just like so. I'm going to go ahead and do that for the front portion of the text as well. So let's go ahead and click edit here and move it to the front. And let's paste the Apple logo there as well. And just like so, all I have to do now is bring this text down to the bottom portion of the screen here. Now, my guide here usually is the home screen bar here. And you want to go ahead and place it in the center as the best as you can. And then just click done. And just as simple as that, once you're done, you're going to apply this as a wallpaper. Obviously, you're going to want to go ahead and just adjust it as you wish right here. So let's go ahead and adjust it here. And let's go ahead and place it right around there. So once I place it right there, I can go ahead and apply this to the lock screen of my iPhone. Let's set it to the lock screen, and hopefully that'll be centered here. And now I have the text right there in between the actual camera and the flash. You can move the text around as you please, as you need to, in order to get it to align properly. All you have to do is obviously go back into edit and then just tap on the actual markup options here. Double tap on the actual text and just move it around just like so. If you need to move it around or move it up or down, just like that. And then you can realign it when you go to apply this text or these actual wallpapers to the lock screen of your iPhone, just like so, and just move it around. And now we can just go ahead and place it here on the lock screen, and hopefully that is centered right there. And you can see right there, I have the iDevice Help logo with the Apple logos. Again, the Apple logos can be copied from this website, which I'll link it in the description. Very simple way to mod the lock screen right there, where you go to swipe up to unlock, just to give your iPhone some sort of personality. Let me know if you know any and all of these, or how many of these actual secrets and tips of the iPhone that you knew so far. Again, iOS 15 has evolved with 15.4 and 15.5, and I always wanted to share these. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.